Today I'm going to share the recipe of one of my absolute favorite chicken curries. It's called Mughlai Chicken. Guys, this gravy is so rich and creamy and delicious. Guys, I can't wait till you try it. Let's quickly make this together. We will start by making the creamy base for the gravy by soaking a 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and a 1/4 cup of almonds. These nuts could be roasted or raw, it doesn't matter. Just make sure to cover them up with some hot water. Let them hang in there for 10 to 15 minutes, after which we are going to quickly drain the water and start peeling the almonds. As you can see, the peels of the almonds come off very easily. There. All done, let's set that aside. Next, we're going to set a pan on medium heat and add approximately 3 tablespoons of oil. To that, we'll add 1 small onion thinly sliced, and we'll also sprinkle about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt so the onions cook faster. We are going to stir fry the onions till they turn a nice deep golden brown in color. It should take approximately 6 to 7 minutes. When you can see that the onions are starting to turn golden brown, lower the heat so that the onions don't burn. And now we are going to take a grinder jar and add in the soaked nuts, the fried onions, as well as 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. When you grind all of that, it's going to turn into this absolutely velvety, smooth paste that's going to make our gravy taste gorgeous. There should be some oil remaining in the same pan, so set that on medium heat and add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, and 6 to 7 black peppercorns. We will stir fry these whole spices for approximately 30 seconds or until you can start to smell their aroma. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Fresh is always better than the store-bought ones. We will also stir fry them for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. We don't have to brown the garlic. Next, we are going to add in that gorgeous paste that we made. We are going to stir fry the paste until it starts to glide on the surface of the pan. You'll see what I mean very soon. There, can you see that? Now you know that the oils are starting to ooze from the nuts, and now is the perfect time to add in our chicken pieces. Try to use chicken with bone rather than boneless chicken, because that's going to make your dish even more tasty. Next, we're going to add in the masalas. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and we are also going to add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. If you prefer it to be less spicy, you can add only 1 teaspoon or you can totally skip it. We'll stir everything together and we'll take our time and stir fry the chicken for approximately 5 minutes. Oh yes, and don't forget to add salt to taste. That's important. Next, we will add 3 to 4 green chillies, mostly for flavor. We're not going to chop them because this curry is not meant to be very hot. Next, add 1 cup of water, give it a quick stir and check if the consistency, well, let's add half a more cup of water. We will now place the lid on and cook until the chicken turns tender. This could take anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to press that subscribe button if you want more yummy recipes every week. If you would like to have the written recipe, I also have a blog and the link is in the description section. Alright, it seems like the chicken has completely cooked through, and now we are going to crank up the heat and let that gravy simmer for another 4 to 5 minutes till the consistency of the gravy turns nice and creamy. Can you tell? Yeah, just like that. Let's give it a taste and add some more salt if needed. And next, we are going to add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. As if it wasn't rich enough, well, we are going to make it taste even better. Guys, you know my kitchen, the aroma in my kitchen. Oh, okay, what I just added was 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Stir that for another 30 seconds or so the cream melts a little bit, and look at the texture of that gravy, guys. I want to eat. Okay, I have to make this again. Yes, happening. We will garnish with some coriander leaves, add some slivered almonds to make it look attractive, And it doesn't get better than this, guys.